This is an incredible 2023 RiverStone Reserve, model number 3950 FWK. FWK stands for front kitchen. We got a raised rear bedroom out back with lots of storage. 2 power awnings, outside TV, upgraded tires, automatic leveling system. As you can see, there's a slant in front of our store. Out back, we got a slide out tray, complete with the ladder that hooks up right up here. On both sides, we have storage compartments, 50 amp power connection. Over here, we have the fully automatic leveling system, place to put some batteries. Yes, there is a solar panel system up top. 2 ACs, one of them is a heat pump. It is prepped for a generator. 2 40-pound propane tanks. There's your central vacuum system. There is the water manifold. Real quick, I just want to talk about quality construction. Folks, we sell Brinkley's here, Keystone, Montana. Of course, Cedar Creek, which is the little brother to the RiverStone. Yes, we even sell Jayco, Pinnacle at used sometimes. They're just not built like this. This is an all aluminum construction, hung wall construction. So every 16 inches, you have an aluminum stud, similar to a house. These RiverStones, let me show you. It's aluminum over here, but out front, steel. Plywood floors, none of that presswood stuff. Plywood roof. Just seems when it comes to construction, RiverStone knows what they're doing. Let's go in. Solid steps. Yes, they are spring loaded. Folks, take a look at this. Your front kitchen. Here's the central vacuum system. Look at the storage up here, folks. And the wood in here. That's a RiverStone. Solid surface countertops throughout. I got an oven here, nicer than the one at the house. Electric fridge. Spot here for garbage. Solar panel system. Great little spot here to eat. Yep. But take a look at this beautiful, beautiful living area. You got your power recliners directly in front of this huge TV. Fireplace throws out some heat. That sofa converts into a bed. Awesome. You got an office, another spot here to eat. Wooden valances and framed out in wood. Daytime and nighttime shades throughout. Oh yeah, look at the ceiling. Nice and even all the way to the back. Bathroom up next. Of course, that is a porcelain toilet. Solid service countertops here too. His and her medicine cabinets. Little tiki seat, just like a Newmar motorhome. Skylights, super tall ceilings. Let's keep going. Oh yeah. Folks, we're in a RiverStone. That is definitely a king-size bed. Directly in front of the bed, your dresser, TV. I see whisper quiet ACs. Opposing windows in this massive slide out. Towards the rear, huge closet, but not only that, great spot here to put a washer and dryer combo if ever you wanted to do so. Maybe you want to live in this thing up in Florida or Arizona. Look at the closet. That's your Wi-Fi booster. Hoses for the central vacuum system. Oh, absolutely amazing. Fit and finish. RiverStone, keep up the good work. Folks, if you want to see this coach, please give one of our friendly sales staff a call. Book your appointment with them. and we'll get this opened up. We'll get it lit up and ready for show. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. Bye for now.